As we reported earlier, Michigan's Attorney General has closed the investigation into MSU's Larry Nassar documents.
For years, the university withheld several thousand documents related to the Nassar abuse case. They were finally shared with the AG's office earlier this year, but she says today they contained no new information. Here to discuss is attorney Rick Convertino. And Rick, I guess the big question is why? What was the point of all of that, of withholding these 6,000 documents for years only to find out there was nothing worthwhile in them?
Well, ostensibly, the point was that there was an attorney-client privilege that was asserted by the legal counsel for the Michigan State University and the president, Simon. However, it's a big bunch of nothing, and in the long run, it wasn't worth it. Obviously, you see that happen often in these crisis management positions where people want to hold and withhold information as a basis upon which they think they're going to protect the institution and protect themselves and their culpability. There was a legal basis to withhold it, but certainly not a moral or ethical basis to withhold it. So they should have just rolled it out over a year ago when they released the other 100,000 pages. It is a big bunch of nothing, and we're further down the line with absolutely nothing to gain for it.
Yeah, and that's very disappointing to hear for the victims and their families who were wanting some kind of answers or some resolution. What can they do moving forward with them saying that it's just case closed?
There is nothing to do moving forward. There's no moving forward. It's done. It's over and done with. Now, when you look and add up the amounts of money that were paid out in these cases, it's astounding. I mean, taxpayer dollars, $500 million the Michigan State University paid out, $139 million the Federal Bureau of Investigation paid out, $380 million paid out by the U.S. Gymnastics Association. It's almost $1 billion, or is it over $1 billion? I mean, it's extraordinary, and this could have been shortchanged by a matter of years. It's astounding that there was that this one man did so much atrocities, performed so many heinous acts over so long a period of time without multitudinous of individuals and groups knowing about it. So it's a tragedy all around. It's a classic example of how an institution shouldn't act or react when an investigation. You saw that in Penn State University with the Joe Paterno issues and the sexual abuse that went on there. University of Michigan. You need crisis management team to come in. You need, in my opinion, criminal defense attorneys who are able to assert and assess culpability and then civil liability immediately. Their criminal defense attorney is better able to look at the issues quickly and assess it in a short period of time, longer or in a different way than a civil attorney who has a different perspective, and they can look at this situation and assess whether or not it needs to be settled quickly. The documents need to be turned over quickly. Sunshine is the best disinfectant.
Yeah. Well, we hope something was learned, but a very disappointing update from the Attorney General's office
no
today.
update, really. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, a lot of nothing. All right, Attorney Rick Convertino, thanks for being here.
Thank you very much.